Shrija, daughter of actor turned politician Chiranjeevi, is in the news again. She now levels allegations of torture against a man for whom she turned away from her own parents and family. Genuine pain or misuse of anti-dowry laws. Here's more.
Images of that cinematic marriage had hardly faded. An actor turned politician Chiranjeevi's daughter Shrija is lashing out at the man she left home for. She is accused Sirish of torturing her for dowry, saying he was doing so physically and mentally for the last several months. Sources say Shrija told the cops that out of love, she had already given several crores of rupees to Sirish. This is where Shrija's in-laws live in Hyderabad. Sirish is charged under the anti-dowry law. He is being taken into custody. His parents are to be called in for questioning soon. A string of caustic allegations and a strong legal charge does come as something of a surprise. Less than 4 years ago, Chiranjeevi's daughter Shrija and Sirish Bhardwaj had eloped to Delhi from Hyderabad. Shrija had in fact approached the police asking for protection against her own family, which was against their wedding. Shrija's father, actor-politician Chiranjeevi, who was against the wedding in 2007, has not reacted to the latest developments. The charges reopen the debate on the Draconian Dowry Act, with many coming out and saying it needs a relook amid rising misuse.
So you can call it a misuse. I will still label it as overuse. Their issues are different, and those issues do not fall within the strict domain of a particular law, or are going unattended, or the procedure itself is very lengthy, or the money which has been spent on the wedding, etc. is non-recoverable.
Another major celebrity scandal draws attention to a larger point of debate. With Bureau Inputs, Sneha Murdani in Delhi for NewsX.
Well, that's